Hi everyone, right, I've got two hauls today, a Shein and a temu one today. So let's start by doing the temu one first. So this is a lovely jumper. It's everybody's going mad for them at the minute. Highland cows. So it's not got anything on the front, but it's got lovely little hearts on the sleeves there, that arm and that side. And then on the back, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So cute. But yeah, that's that jumper. But I like my jumpers so baggy and lovely to, snuggle. And I thought sometimes you can get stuff from temu and Shein that are quite thin and not very breathable. But this is quite thick. It's quite fleecy inside there. So yeah, that one's quite nice, and it's such a cute little cow on the back. So what else have I got in here? Oh, some holiday clothes for Elliot. Now when I saw the picture I thought, oh, it's got a nice little white t-shirt underneath it. But when it came, it was just the shorts and the shirt. So those are the shorts. Nice cotton material there. Nice cotton material, and not that silky t-shirty stuff. It's not that, but that's the shorts. And then the shirt too. So that's for Elliot for his holiday. Then this, I just had to get this because I'm Harry Potter mad. So I just had to get this. So we have got this t-shirt. This t-shirt as just a wizard girl living in a muggle world. So that's the t-shirt. Right. And yet again, I like them to be really, really baggy. So I always go for bigger sizes. And then we've also got this. So just a little, like a phone bag. There. So got a zip there to put little bits in. Another zip there. And then another one there, and then another one there. Oh, with a strap to attach it, so you can either have it around your neck or cross body. So yeah, that's a good one as well on my holiday. But yeah, that's that. Obviously, like I said, holiday things. So we've got some, I think these are toothbrushes. So these are fold away toothbrushes. if I can get into it, I'll show you. Right, so just like little fold-away toothbrushes. Takes up less space in your toiletry bag and things, so yeah, they're pretty good. And that's a pack of 4 is that. And then also, because I'm one of these people that thinks it's a good idea to use my t-shirt to clean my glasses. So I saw these and I thought, oh, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these in the pack. Can I borrow your glasses? Let's try these. So they're little things like this, look. And then so press them together. And it actually does make a difference. Try them on, see what you think. That one. What do you think? Does it make a difference?
A bit.
A bit. Well, there you go.
Wait. Is that firm?
So, we all wear glasses in this house, so they're ideal of those.
Yeah. Except for the dog.
And like I say, I am absolutely Harry Potter mad. So, I brought myself a Harry Potter bookmark. Tassel. So yeah, that's that. And then thought for a little bit of fun, I brought a little game where you have to try and get them in the right order colour wise. So that'll be a little bit of fun.
I know one of them games.
On holiday, or just when you're bored.
These are good too.
So that's what I got from Temu. So this is now the Shein order that I got. Now I did make a little bit of a mistake, and I ordered 2 of one thing in different sizes for some unknown reason.
Maybe for you.
So I got another hoodie.
That another one.
Oh, broke that. But this one is so it's got this lovely part here saying new matter. But on the back, I'll tell you what, I'll read it to you first and then I'll turn it around and show you. So, dear person behind me, the world is a better place with you in it. Lots of love, the person in front of you. So,
Is that the front of it or the back?
that's the back of it. There. It's lovely. And yet again, I'm quite surprised because yet again, it's quite that fleecy inside there, and it's not really thin like some of these others that you can get, and they're just horrible to wear, and your skin you can't breathe. So I did buy 2 of those by accident. Oh, my feather duster, which is, this one's quite long. I do buy these on a regular basis. because they do extend quite long, and it just keeps.
That isn't new, is it?
Yeah,
That's new.
that one quite
And
long. That
sheen.
one.
Nice.
And then I also got some jeans. Who doesn't love a jean? So they are the wide leg ones. They're quite nice, especially for the summer, because they're quite thin. We've got pockets on the back, also at the front, quite stretchy.
Stretchy.
Now it said on the, when I looked, before I brought them, that it got a tummy panel, but I can't really see one inside. It's just the same all the way around, so. But I needed some new jeans, so thought I'll get some of those. I normally wear straight leg ones or skinny leg ones, so I thought I'll go for a change.
Like you're wearing right now.
Right, this is an umbrella.
Umbrella.
But
That's
I'm not
little.
going to open it inside.
Because that look.
So we'll just have a look if I can get into it.
You need scissors.
No, I've done it. There.
That doesn't look like an umbrella. Oh, now it does.
Just a nice little umbrella, just to fit in your bag.
It's a stick inside of it to pull it up.
But like I say, I'm not going to open it because I don't do opening umbrellas inside. But yeah, it's just a nice little umbrella to pop in your bag. So yeah, a lot of this will do for me already. So yeah, well, if you'd like to see me do more of these shopping hauls and things, just please put a comment in below, and hopefully you've enjoyed this one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. For now.